Hey, welcome to Tangent versus Normal Lines. If you remembered anything from geometry, you should know what a tangent line is. But if you don't, here, let me help you out, because I suck at geometry too. Tangent line. You learn them mainly in circles. That's a horrible circle, shut up. A tangent line was a line that hit the circle at one point, and that was it. And then it kept going.
Yes, that is 1 point.
1 point. It hit it at one spot and one spot alone. And that's what a circle was. I mean, not a circle, a tangent line. Normal lines are the exact opposite of that tangent. Not the exact opposite of a tangent's definition, but of that tangent. Because every tangent line has its normal line. At that point, let's say this is the point where it hit. The tangent is perpendicular, no, it's parallel to that point on the circle's derivative. Now, the normal line is the exact opposite, it's the perpendicular line. And it hits right on it perfectly. It makes an X, if you could say. Now you're probably sitting there thinking, how the buns do I find this? Well, what you need to know is you first need to know how to do the derivative. And even though in our previous videos we have not taught you how to do it or find it, I'd recommend going on to the power rule and the chain rule, because that would help you out a lot more than what we're about to teach you.
They're the shortcuts to getting the derivative the easy way.
Yes.
But you gotta work your way there.
Yes.
But
just jump ahead if you really need to know.
Jump ahead
now,
and you'll be fine.
How to find the tangent line to an equation is first you find the derivative of an equation. Let's say this is x squared plus 2. We know that its derivative is going to be 2x. We want to find the derivative at the tangent line at x equals 2. Well, we're going to plug in 2 and we know its derivative, its slope is 4. Well, x squared plus 2, we gotta figure out our y point. So, oh, that's our slope, my bad. That's our slope. 2, what is it out? It's going to be 6, because 2 squared equals 4, plus 2 equals 6. So 2, 6. With this, you can make your simple things you've learned from other math classes. You really don't need to take that any step further. If you want to simplify it out, you can.
That's point slope form, right?
Yeah.
Point slope.
This is point slope form.
Keep it easy.
But now we know at x equals 2 what the tangent line's equation is. If you wanted to find the normal line, all you do is make a perpendicular. And if you even remember that rule,
it's the negative reciprocal of the slope.
Pretty simple. Nothing more easier than that.
The 4 becomes a negative 1/4 if you don't know what negative reciprocal means.
Yeah, you basically take
the opposite.
Flip it.
You flip it and take it negative.
Yes. So, and if you're probably wondering how you flip a whole number, 4 is really a 4 over 1.
And that becomes 1/4. Add a negative, bam, negative 1/4.
Yeah.
If it was 1/4, it'd become
negative 4.
Negative 4. Something like that. Pretty simple.
Same thing down here. I want to find the point. Let's say this is 1 right here. This is 2 and this is 3. I want to find the slope at 2. Well, as we can see, that might be a horizontal slope, but even though, let's just say this real quick, even though it hits right through here, we're worrying about the slope at this point. Just that point. You don't have to worry about anything else. Don't be freaking out that it's touching over here. We didn't tell you to freak out. So, we want to find out right there. What are we going to make this equation? Let's make it... what should we make it? Let's have the x cubed for 1.
Oh shit.
Plus 4. You know what? This is not the graph of x cubed plus 4, but we're just...
It's an assumption.
It's a good visual. It's not even an assumption. It'd be up here, not over here. So, let's just go with that. So, how do we find the tangent line to that? Well, The derivative for that, we already know, is 3x squared. We're going to plug in 2. We're going to get 12. So, n at 2, it is equal to 12. Look at that. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So, slope is 12. 2, 12. And now, you can make your thing.
1. Okay.
That was Jesse's dad.
Disregard that.
And there is your slope.
And if you need the tangent line to
And
that,
then this is the normal line.
that's a tangent.
Would be negative 1 over 12.
Yes, that's not.
That's all there is to know about tangents, lines, and normal lines. Have a fun day.
Alright, team. Goodbye.